Today, we're looking at the first touchscreen MacBook. Well, kind of. Hey Gadget fans, we're back with another Kickstarter superstar, the Vinpok Split, an on-the-go touchscreen monitor which has raised over 50,000% of its original goal. So clearly it's an extremely popular product, and I can see why. It offers all the benefits of a second monitor, but in a slim, portable form factor, which means you don't have to compromise your computer setup while on the go. But it's not just a second monitor for your computer, it can also be a portable display for your game console, tablet, and even some phones. The Split has a 15.6-inch high-definition capacitive touchscreen, 2 1-watt speakers, 2 USB-C ports, mini HDMI, and a 3.5mm audio jack. It also comes in this protective case which doubles as an adjustable stand. So all in all, a pretty simple looking product. Let's see how it works. Setting up the Split is very straightforward. Just plug one end of a USB-C cable into your device and the other into the Split, and the screen will turn on. On startup, the brightness is automatically set to 30%, but you can increase this by pushing the switch on the left of the screen. You can also use this switch to change the speaker's volumes, screen's colors, the inputs, as well as other adjustments you'd expect from a monitor. So we've got the Split set up. What do I think about it? Well, as you see here, the Split screen is actually larger than my 15-inch MacBook Pro, which is crazy for how portable it is. The MacBook's Retina display beats the Split's IPS panels in terms of brightness, resolution, and color, but that's a pretty high bar to beat. For most tasks, the Split is totally usable. There is something the Split has which my MacBook screen doesn't, and that's touch functions. The touchscreen on the Split works really well. It's responsive and even reacts to styluses, so it can be used as a drawing tablet. But your experience will vary depending on what programs you're using, as most software isn't built with touchscreen in mind. Also, the touchscreen controls aren't accurate when the screen is flipped vertical, but I think that's also a software issue with macOS and not the Split itself. As for the audio, I'd say the Split is better than your phone speakers, but probably not as good as your laptops. That being said, it was really nice to use the speakers when playing video games. So what's my final verdict for the Split? It's compact, versatile, and cheap. On sale for only $229 now on Kickstarter. I do a lot of video editing, and having a second display makes everything so much easier. While the Split is not as premium as my MacBook's display, it certainly gets the job done. It allows you to bring the two-monitor experience wherever you go, and for that, it gets my recommendation. Thanks for watching this edition of GiGadgets. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to us for more of the best in tech gadgets.